Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Boult Zen earbuds. First, ensure your earbuds have at least 25% battery life. A full charge is always best. Open the charging case lid to power on the earbuds automatically. Observe the small LED indicator lights on the case or the earbuds themselves. They should illuminate, confirming the earbuds are active and ready for the next step. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth connection process. Next, carefully take both Boult Zen earbuds out of their charging case. When you remove them, they automatically attempt to find a device to pair with. You should see a specific blinking LED pattern, typically a fast, alternating white and blue light on one of the earbuds, indicating they are actively searching. This visual cue confirms that your earbuds are now in pairing mode and ready to be discovered by your device. Keep them close to your phone or tablet. Now, grab your smartphone or tablet and navigate to its Bluetooth settings menu. If Bluetooth is not already enabled, please turn it on. Your device will begin scanning for nearby available Bluetooth accessories. Look for Boult Zen in the list of discovered devices. It should appear shortly after scanning. Tap on Boult Zen to initiate the connection. A successful tap will usually prompt a confirmation message on your screen. Once connected, you will typically hear an audio prompt or a chime in your Boult Zen earbuds, confirming the successful link. Additionally, your device's Bluetooth settings will show Boult Zen with a connected status next to it. If you encounter any difficulties, first try turning your device's Bluetooth off for 10 seconds and then back on. A full factory reset of the earbuds, by holding both touch controls for 10 seconds while in the case, can also resolve persistent issues. Enjoy your music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.